Three ways you can make money in 2023 online. So number one is you can sell your knowledge. This is very, very profitable because you can get 100%, well, 80 to 100% of the profit in terms of margins. Say hello to my cat, Chelsea. She's been really needy recently. Anyway, you can sell your knowledge through platforms like YouTube, Facebook. You can do it live, or if you're an introvert, you can blog or write emails. If you've got a list, that is. So I'll get to that in another video. Number two, you can sell physical products. You can do this via dropshipping, or you can do this on Amazon. You can do this any way you want. You could also sell it through like eBay. That's free traffic, you don't need to advertise. But dropshipping is kind of like, in a sense, quite hard to recreate. Not recreate, but like, it's hard to do properly because you need a lot of capital. Number three is you can sell someone else's product, which could be digital, physical, or anything like that. This is probably the easiest to get started. It's called affiliate marketing. I'll include a link below this video. It's going to be an intro to affiliate marketing, how you can get started. Affiliate marketing in of itself is interesting because it's been around for a while, but recently it's changed. For example, in the past, you could promote something like Shopify as an affiliate. Shopify is like a dropshipping platform, just an e-commerce platform. And you could promote that and get a cut, like maybe like a portion each month of a person paying monthly. So that's one type. You could be an affiliate for Amazon. So if you like a certain product, for example, YouTubers, if they like a certain, equipment with the recording with a tripod or something like that, or a microphone, they can refer somebody through their link, and the person that buys, the creator, gets a cut. So that's affiliate marketing. I'm doing that right now and it's working pretty well. Doing that through email, through YouTube, through Facebook, Instagram, etc. If you subscribe to this channel, you'll be able to find out how I do it because I go live often. But out of the three, I would say number one is great because it's profitable, which is selling your knowledge. Number two is great because if you're an introvert or if you have capital, you can easily get started tomorrow. That's dropshipping. I'll include a full training of how to do that in my YouTube. I set up a Shopify store with my friend about a year or two ago when COVID was happening, and that went well. So number three is, affiliate marketing. And the reason I like that one is because you don't have to own a product. You can literally just sell anybody's product. And if you like that product, you can automate it. So you can run ads to it. You can basically, however creative you are, you can create a decent amount of money from affiliate marketing. You can also promote people's products in terms of like high ticket offers. So say somebody has like an high ticket offer of like a coaching program. You could make a deal with them and make a cut. So like 50%. That's why I love affiliate marketing. There's certain platforms that you can use like ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus. They're amazing platforms, and because they can help you get started as early as tomorrow. If you're interested in this, there'll be a link below in the below this video in the description. You could find out how to do that. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was impactful. There's three ways how to make money online. Cheers, guys.